Hello students and welcome to Language Arts 101. Today we're going to talk about irregular verbs. Think about this word, irregular, irregular. Let me give you a hint. Ir means not. When I say go, turn and talk for 10 seconds to a partner and discuss what you think the word irregular means. Go. All right, class, I'm ready to talk. Are you ready to listen? Good. What do you notice about these regular verbs and irregular verbs? First, let's look at some of the irregular verbs. Play, played, dart, darted, click, clicked. Turn and talk to a neighbor for about 10 seconds and talk about what pattern you see in these words. Go. All right, class, I'm ready to talk. Are you ready to listen? Very good. All right, did you notice that the words simply have an ed added to the end? If you recognize that, then you are absolutely right. Did you also recognize that the original word is in the past tense version? If you recognize that, you are absolutely right. I want to take a look at the word occupy and worry. We know the rule is to drop the Y and add an I when a word ends in Y and we want to make it past tense. So occupy becomes occupied and worry becomes worried. This is still a regular verb because of the Y rule. The Y drop the I rule. Now let's take a look at irregular verbs. We'll just take a look at a few of them on either side. I'm just going to go to the word give, gave, go, went, eat, ate, begin, began, blow, blew, see, saw, pay, paid, lead, led, teach, taught, write, wrote. Take about 10 seconds and turn and talk to your partner about what you notice about irregular verbs. Go. All right, class, I'm ready to teach. Are you ready to learn? Good. What we want you to notice is that the past tense of the verb changes. It does not follow the same pattern as you see over in the regular verbs. So what is an irregular verb? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't take on the regular D, ED, or IED spelling patterns. Let's read the examples together. 1, 2, read. Find, found. Eat, ate. Take, took. Fly, flew. Notice how none of these words have taken on the regular add a D or ED or IED spelling patterns. Irregular verbs are also known as strong verbs. So I'm going to read the white part of the text, and I want you to read the blue parts. Starting here. Irregular verbs. Good. These 9 irregular verb examples They are go, get, say, see, think, make, take, come, know. Let's do some more pickup reading here. I'll read the words in white. You read the words in blue for go. Go is the past tense of go. I will go to the store. An hour ago, I went to the store. Think about these two sentences. I will go to the store. An hour ago, I went to the store. I will go to the store. An hour ago, I goed to the store. Go is an irregular verb, and the past tense of go is went. We do not say, I goed to the store. It's an irregular verb, and therefore it cannot have an ed, a d, or an ied added to the end. Let's do another. Let's all read. I will read the white. You will read the blue. I know I will have fun on the trip. Now you read. Good. I know I will have fun on the trip. Good. When I say go, turn and talk for 10 seconds to a partner and discuss which sentence is correct and why. Go. All right, class, I'm ready to teach. Are you ready to learn? Good. Now let's turn to your motivation writing book, page 21, to the story, the introductory passage, Not Just a Park. Turn to page 21. It says, Patty is a 4th grade student. Her teacher asked students to write about something they had never done before. Patty wrote about her day at Disney World. Let's take a look at sentence number 1. I'll read the white, you read the blue with some pickup reading. Last summer something I had never before. The past tense of do is did, and the past participle of do is done. So, in your book for sentence 1, circle the word did and done. In the first sentence, circle the words did and done. Sentence 2. My family went to Disney World for a full day of unbelievable excitement. The verb went in this sentence is in its irregular form of the word go. My family went to Disney World for a full day of unbelievable excitement. In your book on sentence 2, circle the word went. Let's do one more together. Look at sentence 12. After that attraction, we rode the Mad Tea Party. After that attraction, we rode the Mad Tea Party. Which verb in this sentence is an irregular verb? Go ahead and talk that over with a partner, and let's take about 7 seconds. Go. I'm ready to teach. Are you ready to learn? Good. Since we know that every sentence must have a complete subject and a complete predicate, we must make sure we're using the correct past tense form of every verb. So what verb did you find in that sentence? Did you say the irregular verb was rode? If you did, that is right. Rode is the past tense of ride. All right, now we're going to switch to spelling words with silent letters. But before we do, I want to go back. I want you to turn and talk real quick about how you're going to know a verb is irregular. Turn and talk to your neighbor just to reiterate how you're going to know a verb is irregular. Talk. I'm ready to teach. Are you ready to learn? Good. If you reminded your neighbor that irregular verbs do not take on a regular add-d or ed or ied spelling patterns, you were right. If you told them that it changes the way that the word is spelled altogether, you are right. Such as take becomes took, or blow becomes blew, or get becomes got. You are exactly right.